We now have new and improved commission tracking capabilities inside of JenesisNow. So if you like to award your agents at your agency bonuses for EFTs and multiple policies, if you go under the account section of their user profile, we've now added in fields to be able to input EFT bonus amount and bonus amount for writing multiple policies as well. So then also, if we are going into our commission manager, because I've already saved this profile here with this information, if we go to enter in a commission statement, now you can see there's a change here as well with the capability to add in fields for EFT and multiple policies here. So I'll fill this out as I normally would. So we'll say $5,000 just for a round number. And we'll award EFT and multiple policies. So these are my assigned producers on this particular policy. So the system is automatically recognizing that and applying the bonus amount. And then if I save this information, I'll be able to pull this under my commission statement detail report. So we hope that you will find this enhancement useful at your agency. Please, as always, let us know if you have any questions.